Hi everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about safety equipment, or your PPE, personal protective equipment. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the red button down below here and then ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post one of these videos on preparedness. Alrighty, so safety equipment / PPE, your personal protective equipment. Most people think, oh, that's for construction and stuff, or for chemical hazmat. No, it's for more than that. If you're do any sort of handyman work around the house, you should be having safety gloves, safety goggles, dust masks if you're doing any type of sanding or cutting wood or cutting anything, hearing protection to protect you from the noise of the saws or the grinders or whatever it is you're using. So a lot of preppers forget to store extra PPE, not only for themselves, but for other members of the family. And if you have kids, they're going to be growing up and learning this stuff, so they should have their own personal protective equipment as well. So go through what you have. Figure you need to have several pieces for every member in the family. Because, hey, somebody's going to be helping you do some of this work at one point or another. All right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.